Okay, this is the project I've been working on just today. Nicole wanted a frame of our big builder grade window. We saw mirror in our upstairs bathroom. We've been talking about for a little while how we should do it, and we looked up online, YouTube mainly, and saw a bunch of different ideas and thought we would just go with a basically square Craftsman style pit mirror frame. What I did was went to Lowe's, picked up some pine, but not just any pine. I picked up the Select, which seems to be a better milled finish to the boards, and measured across the top of the width of the mirror, and then made a mark up to the top. And they're 1x4x6s, so about 3.5 inches really is what you get out of these. So 3.5 inches up from the bottom, measured from that point to where the top would be, and got that middle width. So we have two boards here for the bottom and for the top, and those are 81.5 inches across, big mirror. And these two boards, this one and this one, are 29.5 inches from top to, or bottom to top. So they'll be the middle portions that support the top board. On the top board itself, we have some mirror clips, and there was a number of people I saw who just put the boards right over the mirror, but then it's like an unsightly gap and it leans forward. It just looked terrible. So all I did basically was took a basic measurement of the mirror clips and then notched out a couple notches, as so, with my Dremel. And I've already checked fitment, and they are notched well, so they fit well and no problem. And then I went through with my sander, 150 grit orbital sander, and sanded the rough boards. And they're actually pretty smooth, but just opened up the grain a little bit, sanded them down, took away any imperfections as much as possible. I mean, the stain I put on is very dark, so you're not going to see a lot of that. But it's nice that you need to sand it, because it just cakes off the stuff that came from the lumber yard, from the store, from transport, and your own fingerprints. After that, I cleaned them down, just mild soap and water on a damp towel. Wiped everything down a few times and let it dry, and then applied a Java gel stain made by General Finishes. We've had it around. We stained our cabinets with it in the upstairs bathroom, so the frame will match the cabinets itself. And I stained the front sides really well, let them dry for a little while, then I just turn them over to the backs, so you don't want to have reflection from the mirror reflecting off the white board from that one and then reflecting to the back, so it would just look, well, it would look terrible, it would look half finished, so we don't want that. Alright, next video will be the installation, which will be probably tomorrow after I put a clear coat on tonight. Maybe a satin clear coat. Not glossy, just satin.